Today we are going to be taking our homophone spelling test. So you will need a sharp pencil and your spelling recording sheet. And you will need to turn on your brain, so let's do that. Okay. While we're getting ready to start, let's make sure we have our first name, last name, number, and date on our paper. And let's remember to pay attention to our handwriting today. Remember, when we are focusing on good handwriting, we need to pay attention to how we form the letters. We need to pay attention to the lines. We want our letters touching the lines. We don't want them over the lines or under the lines. If they're over the lines, our letters will be too big. If they're under the lines, our letters will be too small. And we want to make sure we're forming our letters correctly. Remember, if at any time you get behind, you can pause the video, get caught up, and then start it again when you're ready. Since this is our homophones test, you have to pay careful attention to the sentence that I am saying for each word. The sentence will give you a clue about which homophone you need to write. So let's pay particular attention, really focus on the meaning of the sentence so that you spell the correct homophone. Let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, here. Please speak up. I can't hear you. Here. Number 2, here. Put the backpack here. Here. Number 3, blue. The wind blew so hard last weekend. Blue. Number 4, dear. Elizabeth is a dear friend. Dear. Number 5, meet. Will you meet me at school? Meet. Number 6, so make sure your finger's on number 6. Right. The opposite of left is right. Right. Number 7, 2. I have 2 brothers. 2. Number 8, 2. Listen carefully to the sentence. Let's go to the park. 2. Number 9, 2. Sarah wants to go to. 2. Number 10, wood. We used wood from the forest to build a campfire. Wood. Your bonus word is knight. The knight saved the princess from the dragon. Knight. Okay, we're gonna go through the list again. Normally I just read the words, but since we're doing homophones and it's important to have the context of the sentence, I'm gonna read the sentence again. While we're going through this list the second time, remember we're looking for backwards letters. We're making sure our handwriting is neat, and we're just looking to make sure that the words look the right way, that they look like we learned to spell them. We're just looking for mistakes. All right, here we go. Number 1, here. Please speak up. I can't hear you. Number 2, here. Put the backpack here. Number 3, blue. The wind blew so hard last weekend. Blue. Number 4, dear. Elizabeth is a dear friend. Dear. Number 5, meet. Will you meet me at school? Meet. Number 6, right. The opposite of left is right. Number 7, 2. I have 2 brothers. Number 8, 2. Let's go to the park. Number 9, 2. Sarah wants to go to. Number 10, wood. We used wood from the forest to build a campfire. And the bonus word is knight. The knight rescued the princess from the dragon. So that's it for your spelling test. I'm proud of your hard work, and I can't wait to see all the words spelled correctly and your excellent handwriting. God bless you, and I'll see you again soon.